since January. I'm still sitting here alone. We should've did this already. Said I got an email today. Kinda thought that you forgot about me, but I wanna hit you back to say, just like you, I get lonely, baby. I could really get to know you. Take my time and show you. Don't tell anybody what we